Hey guys, this is Mark. Just wanted to give you an update on the budget Pro Touring Firebird. Had a Borg Warner 4-speed in it. We upgraded to a Tremec TKO 600 5-speed from Silver Sport Transmissions. And we just got back from our first test drive, but I'd like to raise the car up and show you what's going on underneath. So guys, just want to talk a little bit about what we've done recently on this build. If you've just joined us, we got this as a automatic. We put a Borg Warner 4-speed in it, drove it a little bit, and at 70 miles an hour, the thing was screaming. I got a 373 rear in here. So the latest upgrade, and again, just got back from a drive and it was phenomenal. The drivability is amazing. But this is from Silver Sport Transmissions, the TKO 600 5-speed, and the kit comes from bell housing back. Give them a few dimensions and your U-joint type, and everything bolted up perfectly. The instructions actually were amazing, and all I can say is it went together perfect. So out for a little cruise with this new amazing TKO 600 5-speed from Silver Sport Transmissions, and it's driving like a dream. Prior to this swap, my 4-speed, we were screaming down the road. With these 373 gears, it just wasn't fun to drive, and I knew that I could never get in it and go to Ocean City for the yearly car show or something like that, because it just wouldn't drive right. Now with this 5-speed, got a 5th gear of a 0.68 ratio, so I went from a 1-to-1 down to a 0.68, which is a huge difference. And now at 70 miles an hour, we're cruising at about 2250 RPM, which in my mind is perfect. The front suspension I upgraded with some new control arms, QA control arms. The rear suspension is stock with just a heavy duty sway bar. And I've been in a lot of cars, and it really hugs the road. So couldn't be happier. We're gonna come out on the highway here and see how the thing does. Hold on there, cameraman. I'm gonna take a corner at about 40. Woohoo! Yeah, I got a little dizzy on that one, boy. A few G-forces, what do you think?
Yeah, hard to keep your camera steady, buddy.
So we're at 70 miles an hour right now. My hand's off the steering wheel. We're cruising at 2250 exactly. I'd say it's perfect. And still in 5th gear, plenty more this 455 has. We actually rebuilt the 455, went 30 over, comp cams, hooked us up with a new cam and some top assembly. The bottom rotating assembly we completely redid, but what can I say? Love it. Prior to this, honestly, it'd be hard to have a conversation going 60, let alone 70 miles an hour, forget it, but it was screaming so high that it just wasn't fun. Now you can have a nice, quiet dinner conversation with your wife in your brand new budget build Pro Touring 76 Firebird.